Okay, so I have 6 over 9, and the other side was 8 over 12. Let's see if these are in equal proportion. 6 times 12 is 72, and 8 times 9 is also 72. So that lets me know that these are in proportion. Then when I know that they're in proportion, then that helps me to solve. So let me come down here. Are these in proportion? All right, so you have TU and EF. I know EF is 8, so TU is going to be 16. Now 16 over 8, oh, I can reduce that, and that is going to give me 2 over 1. So TU over EF is 2 over 1. So now let's see what they give me next. SU. SU, I know that's going to be 12. Okay. I'm going to draw my little line right here. Okay. Now, who else is slanted like SU? DF is. So I'm going to put here DF. And DF I know is the number 6. I'm going to move this up here. And watch this. What is 12 over 6? 12 over 6 is 2 over 1. And I can put my little line right there in the middle. So what you're doing is you are matching what's what everywhere you go. And that is how I find out that they are proportional. Is 16 over 8 2 over 1? Yes. Is 12 over 6 2 over 1? Yes. Then I know that they are proportional. And then the last one here, I have ST. I know ST is 10. So here's my 10. Put my line in the middle. And ST is the same as DE. So I'm going to put DE right there. And DE I know is 4. So come on, move this here. Oh, something's not right. Look at this. ST is 10. DE is 4. Is 10 over 4 2 over 1? No, it is not. That will reduce, but it'll reduce to 5 over 2. And if it's equal to 5 over 2, then guess what? Are they proportional? My answer is no. Are they similar? The answer is no. They're not similar, they're not proportional. Why? Because all three sides don't match. 12 over 6, that's half. 16 over 8, that's half. But 10 over 4, no, that's not. So that is how you will use proportions to help you find out if they're similar or if they're proportional. Okay? So that is how you work these problems. Now let's go to scale factor. Scale factor is always going to be your model over your actual. Model over actual. So when they tell you what they are, the length of a model car is 9. You're going to put your model size on the top. And length of the actual car is 162. That's going to be on the bottom. So then you take your fraction and you simplify. Now this here, I don't know to divide that by 9. But I do know that my top number needs to be 1. So if I know my top number needs to be 1, then that tells me to divide by 9. And then I can use my calculator to do 162 divided by 9 and give me 18. I can then use proportions to match to my scale factor. Because once they tell me what my scale factor is, I can use that to find anything that's missing. Like they say, the scale factor of a model train is 1/87. A piece of track in the model is 8 inches long. Model goes on top. What is the actual length? I don't know, so I put an X. And then I can use cross products to find my answer. And so that's what we're doing here, so that we match and use our scale factor to find the missing side. So the top one said find the scale factor. I got photo height over painting height. My photo height is 3 inches. So I'm going to put 3 inches. Oops, sorry, hold on. All right, so here I'm going to put 3. The painting height, well, it told me that the painting height is 24. So I'm going to put 24. Now I got to reduce. Okay, I'm going to reduce by my top number. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Because any number divided by itself is 1. Put my little line here. And 24 divided by 3, class, who remembers 24 divided by 3? That is 8. So my scale factor is 1/8. Just like that. Now let's do this one. I got a silk butterfly, that's my fake, that's my model, and a real butterfly. Okay, well, a 6 butterfly has a wingspan of 4 centimeters. I'm going to put 4 up here on top. And my real butterfly has a wingspan of 20 centimeters. So I'm going to put 20 on the bottom. Okay, so I have 4/20. We're going to divide by my top number. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. Yes, I know some of you all beat me to it. Thank you so much. Move this up 1/5. So my scale factor is 1/5. So now let's do this. Oh, now see, it says find the scale factor, and I got to find the actual, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put my line already. All right, and then I'm going to put my line over there. And then right here in the middle, I'm going to put my equal sign. All right. Let me move this over here closer. Now, first things first, I'm going to put my scale factor. My scale factor is 1/12. So I'm going to put 1 up on top and 12 at the bottom. And y'all excuse me, because if I had a paper, it wouldn't be this difficult. Now, it says a plum tree is 7 inches on the scale drawing. What is the actual height? Well, on the scale drawing, the 7 inches, this is what's going to go up on top. Here we go. So I'm going to put 7 on top. Now it's asking me for the actual. Do I know the actual? No, I don't. So I'm going to put X right there. So now I have 1/12 equals 7/X. Now I got to move over here and do this because I need room. 1/12 equals 7/X. Okay, so now let's do our cross products. I'm going to cross here. 1 times X is X. And then I'm going to cross here. And 7 times 12 is 84. See that? So when I go back to my scale factor, then it says, what is the actual height of the tree? The tree is 84 inches. Oops. And there you go. That is how you do scale drawing. Now I'm going to use this one because this one's got a decimal in it. I want to work that out for you. Okay, so it says on a road map, the distance between 2 cities is 2.5 inches. The map scale is 1 inch to 30 miles. What is the actual distance? Okay, so that lets me know this is going to be inches over miles. Inches over miles, okay? So now I'm going to use my scale map. It says 1 over 30. So that's going to be 1 over 30. I'm going to do it this way, that way I can put my line in between. Alright, so now it's going to be what? Well, my inches is 2.5. So I'm going to put my 2.5 up top. And I don't know what the actual distance is, so I'm going to put x. So now that's my scale factor. 1 over 30 equals 2.5 over x. So let's go over here. 1 over 30 equals 2.5 over x. Well, let's do this. I have x over here, and 30 times 2.5. I don't have my calculator, but I know 30 times 2 is 60, and half of 30 is 15. 60 and 15 is 75. Ooh, let's put it up on a calculator. 30 times 2.5 equals 75. Yeah. So that's my answer. So I go back here, and it says, what is the actual distance between the two cities? And my answer is 75 miles. And that is how you do proportions, similar figures, and scale factor.